Oh, look at his forehead. Oh. You want the claw?
It hurts.
You bet.
I'll fuck it through. It hurts. Bro, I can't feel my neck, bro.
My fucking mouth is on fire.
Zane, bro, you straight?
Is your nose bleeding?
Your nose is bleeding.
It's gonna get real hot. With the peppers right here, boy. CarolinaReaper Extreme. You already know what it is.
Yer.
Yo, Don. He got a bigger one and he wants a smaller
trade?
one. You finna trade?
Fuck. It's his video. You gotta take
Bro,
it.
It's okay, bro. It's okay. Get hot.
Wait, you eat the whole thing?
Yeah.
Are you serious?
You don't have to if you don't want to, but I'm going to.
I'll eat half of it. Alright, y'all. It's your boy Super Nesto 12 back with another video. You fucking dick! As you can tell,
I shouldn't have did that.
we at school. We're actually outside of school, actually. We're about to do the... What is it?
CarolinaReaper challenge.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment. If you're new, subscribe. Let's get to 100 likes. Yeah, so let's get into it.
Y'all ready?
Yes. Alright, we got our milks, we got our pepper.
This nigga's shaking.
I'm shaking, bro. I'm scared.
Dink, dink.
Oh, y'all tripping. That was Alright, you ready?
Oh,
Are you fuck that? Hell no, bro. I already feel that.
whole thing?
Y'all ate the whole thing?
Do I swallow?
Y'all stupid. No, bro. This is enough. This isn't.
You want the claw?
That, bro. If I ate the whole thing, I'd be dead right now. It hurts. Should I eat the whole thing?
Yes, pop it in. Pop it in. Go. 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 Send it. Full. Send it. Send it. I'm crying.
This is like already.
Pop it. Stop talking.
Bro, this.
Bro, if you don't put this in your mouth right now, go. Go.
Bro, chill out, bro.
Nesto, put it in your mouth right now.
I'm gonna die, bro. Who wanna do it, bro? Y'all wanna do it? You wanna do it?
Oh my god.
That nigga face red. Oh my god.
You want this?
My mouth.
Bro.
Bro, the ghost peppers ain't no. Bro, the fucking Carolina.
So good.
Wait a minute.
That's pure.
You wanna do it?
He sweated.
I'm crying.
That nigga's crying. Oh, look at his forehead. It's not cold for them. That shit got up, bro.
Burn so fucking bad, bro.
Have you drank milk?
No.
Never mind.
I'll fuck it through.
It hurts.
You bet. What the fuck going on?
Bro, I can't feel my neck, bro.
Nigga, my fucking mouth is on fire.
Zane, bro, you straight?
Hey, it was better when I fucking.
Mine don't matter, bro.
Aren't you Mexican, nigga? You supposed to take this shit.
Oh my god.
Hell yeah, my black got beat hurt. This ain't no ghost.
Damn, that's savage. This nigga.
We only do this for
Super Nesto 12. Subscribe.
Oh yeah, they better subscribe.
Zane, where the fuck you get that shit from?
No milk, gang.
Wait, you ain't
Bro,
drinking
I'm
milk,
a SEMA warrior.
Bro, I'm blinking and it's all red.
Don't touch your face. Is your nose bleeding?
Your nose is bleeding.
Oh my fucking god.
This nigga's nose is bleeding.
It's the Carolina pepper. It's bleeding. My eyes.
Y'all better subscribe to this nigga Super Nesto.
Open, bitch.
Oh, you squeeze this. You already know. Pepto Bismol, man. Out here.
Pop tags real quick. Follow them real quick. Bow. It's not recording, bro. Bro, the audio wasn't recording.
Not yet.
Gio's gonna do my other half because I didn't eat the whole thing and I gave him $10 to do it. So yeah.
CarolinaReaper pepper. Come on, let's get it. CarolinaReaper pepper.
We out here.
Wait, what?
We out here supporting the boy. Chew it fast and just swallow. Just don't even think about it.
He ate the whole thing?
Drink some water and some milk.
Wait, he
He ate the whole thing.
Are you serious?
Yeah, bro, we ain't no hoes out here.
Don't throw up on me, bro.
You could spit. It helps to spit. He's crying already. This is just the come up. Look at him.
Oh shit.
How you feeling?
Oh shit.
So how you feeling right now?
My throat is on fire.
Explain your inner feels. Hell? Is it hell inside?
You good, bro?
Right now, I think I'm better than how you was right now.
He's still on the come up. Look, he's shaking.
How you feel?
It's moving up. It's like right here.
Is your neck numb? Is your mouth numb or anything? Don't touch your face though.
I'm not. Also, I'm gonna do my pop tag. Damn, you got it.
He can't even snap.
Yeah, right here. Follow him on Twitter.
That way. You see this guy? Subscribe.
Hey, don't.
Do it. You good, bro?
The thing is, it comes back in waves too. Like it'll go and it'll come back for a minute.
Yeah. I ate like most of the seeds.
Yeah, I just popped
I ate
up.
the whole fucking thing.
Shit.
Yeah, Gio.
How you feel?
It's long, painful, not exquisite. Thankfully, I'm getting compensated for this. I only did it for money. $10 can do a lot in this world. I can invest.
Alright, we're about to go back in.
Hell yeah.
About to clean this mess up. And thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, comment.
Subscribe or eat your fries. Follow me on Twitter about IG at SpiderGeo. That's my Instagram.
Yeah.
Also, listen to his music, Curly Head Vibes.
Yeah. That's
So
you.
if you need pictures, hit up this guy, Full-Time Photo on IG.
Dearborn, Michigan.
Yes, sir. At www.thefulltimephoto.com for all your photo services.
Also, shout out for him. Shout out him for buying the peppers and bringing the milk and everything.
Yeah, video sponsored by me.
All right, so yeah, subscribe, like, comment, and see you guys in the next video. Peace.